Hello, my name is Ray Pierotti, Energy Advisor and Lighting Specialist for La Plata Electric Association, or LPEA. This series of lighting videos is part of our ongoing educational series. During this segment, I want to help our members understand how to maximize on the lucrative residential lighting incentives available through LPEA and Tri-State Generation and Transmission. We have included in this video some tips and must-knows when considering purchasing efficient LED lamps. The figures above represent the 2,000 residential rebates we have given out to our members, receiving over $250,000 in energy efficiency rebates. But remember, the real savings is through the ongoing energy reduction, the day after day use for 10 to 20 years of the LED's lamp life. In our intro, we discussed the inefficiency of incandescent lamps. The old Edison lamp produces light by heating a very thin tungsten filament to an incandescence of 500 degrees centigrade with an electric current. The heat is 90% and the light produced is only 10%, and it's very inefficient. It's deleting our fossil fuels and creating CO2 gases. Not good. Today we have a better environmental alternative, which is efficient LED lighting. Now, the old way to efficient lighting was the CFL or compact fluorescent, which I promoted for over a decade here at LPEA. The CFLs did save a lot of energy and last longer, but the quality of light, the UV rays, the recycling, along with still containing gases, made you wince as you took your castor oil. Yuck. The new way is efficient LEDs, and they are awesome. LED stands for light emitting diode. An LED is a semiconductor device that emits visible light when an electric current passes through it. It's nothing more than a chip. LEDs are the most efficient light today, and they are the real deal. By 2030, the Department of Energy forecasts that LED lighting will represent 84% of sales in the U.S., and that equates to $250 billion in savings. Some of the benefits of LEDs, first and foremost, is the quality of light performance. There is an LED for just about every application when considering retrofitting your house. LEDs reduce kWh reduction over 75%, so they will lower your energy bills. The rated life for residential usage is 10 to 20 years, no burnout bulbs and changing lamps all the time, and there is no UV emissions. LEDs are very durable, and unlike CFLs, they perform great in the coldest of weather. Most energy efficiency credits or rebates, including lighting, are funded by Tri-State Generation and Transmission. They set the basic guidelines for any rebate program, so it's important to review the rebates at the beginning of each year to see if they are still in effect or if revisions have been made. The incentive is 50% of the cost of the lamp, which is capped at $8 a lamp. There is a maximum of 50 lamps per calendar year, and you can submit one time per calendar year. Remember, all purchases must be made in 2017, 120 days from purchase, and submitted no later than February 1st, 2018. A change for 2016 was requiring a minimum of 500 lumens, which is up from the 300 lumens in the past. You can find the lumens on the lighting facts label, which is on each package. The lighting facts label also show light appearance, life of the bulb, and watts used. Also very important information. Just an FYI, 500 lumens is equivalent to a 50-watt bulb. What is a lumen? How much light do I need? In today's LED environment, it's not about watts anymore. Lumens are a measurement of light output. The higher the lumen output, the more light is emitted. Compare wattage in the bulb to be replaced with the lumens on the LED package. That will give you the equivalent light output. This assures that you get the right amount of light needed for your application. For example, if you need a lamp to match your 100-watt light bulb, you'll need around 1600 lumens. This equates to about a 16-watt LED. Something to consider when purchasing: the older we get, the more lumens are required. A receipt and one whole packaging from each type of lamp is required. The receipt must be readable. Please mark or highlight on the lamp on the invoice that correlates with the application line number. Also required is one whole packaging from each type of lamp. The application must be filled out completely. The check will be sent out to the holder of the account. Remember to sign and date the application. If there are over 50 lamps submitted, the application will be rejected and sent back. Lamps are to be used in the LPEA service territory only. Here is an example of a filled out application which matches the invoice. There are line numbers on the application which match the numbered invoice. This will help expedite your application and subsequent payment, which will be sent out in a check form. This normally takes around 6 weeks, but if the application is not complete or filled out correctly, the payment could be prolonged. You can go to our website, www.lpea.coop, to download an application, or go by our office in Durango or Pagosa. This concludes the residential rebate video. The following video is how businesses can take part in the many energy efficiency incentives available to our commercial members. Remember, from your local cooperative, save your energy, and thanks for living an energy efficient lifestyle.